need money. There was a hedgehog. Did you know it's illegal to have hedgehogs here?
Yeah.
I didn't, so I need money because fines are a thing.
I already gave you money like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I need more money.
No, you haven't paid me back for the money I
I'll
gave
pay
you.
you back later.
I can't like keep giving
I'll
you
give
money.
you a hedgehog with the money.
I don't want a hedgehog.
Yes, you do.
I don't want a hedgehog.
Okay, well, ask for
That's
something.
illegal here. Did you not get that part?
Oh, right.
You can't keep things if they're illegal.
Well, what if they didn't know? I need money. Okay?
You owe me money. I'm not gonna give you
I'll
money.
pay you back later.
For starters, you owe me $100.
I'll pay you back later.
You'll pay me back. When will you pay me back?
Later.
When's later?
In the future.
That doesn't, no. I will give you the money you need if you pay off your debt right now.
I can't do that, but I could whistle a song for you.
Or you could do whatever I say for the entire day.
I prefer the whistle.
I prefer you do whatever I say for the entire day.
Yeah, I need money.
You'll do it?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want a hedgehog.
They're illegal.
Shut it! We don't need to talk about this. I'll do it, maybe.
You will do it, or I won't give you any more money. Ever.
Fine. Hey, do I have to?
Yeah.
So, no.
You'll find out. You'll find out later. You'll find out later.
Okay.
Have many things. I feel like it's gonna look really weird when I'm like checking out.
Yeah, right.
Some random stuff.
This looks good. Can we get some of this?
Here.
Okay. And Captain Balthazar and I got this.
What else? Do you want
Cool sword.
Minnie Mouse? I don't have a use for that. I keep picking up things and I don't really have a use yet.
Congrats.
I would get you whipped cream and just make you eat it all day.
I'm lactose
But you're
intolerant.
lactose intolerant, so I feel like that's a bad idea. So we're not gonna do that. Honestly, I think this is good. I think I'm good. Yeah, we're good. We're gonna go.
You know, you're pretty lucky. You know why? You know what I spent those last $100 on?
What?
Learning how to cook. First,
But-
get your mustard. This is disgusting.
It's not disgusting.
Who has a mustard
don't
on
make
bread?
fun of it. Everyone has mustard on
That's
the sandwich.
disgusting.
Who doesn't? That's my question.
Smart people like me. Attractive people like me.
What else should you do?
Sleep.
No.
I don't like you.
I know you don't.
Who? You don't have any meat on here. What are you doing?
I think I know what I'm gonna do for your next thing.
Please, my friends are making me do this. Yes! Wait, where are we going?
I don't know.
Hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy,